Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by warming, then cooling the car. Run the Prius for 5 minutes, then shut off and let it cool until the engine bay drops below 40 degrees C so you avoid steam and burns. Park on level ground and engage park. Set the parking brake. Disconnect the 12V negative terminal to prevent fan or inverter activation. Gather tools: a 10 mm wrench, funnel, drain pan, and about 5 liters of prepared 50 ethylene glycol and water coolant. Wear gloves and eye protection for safety. Place a drain pan under the radiator and remove the lower radiator hose clamp with a 10 mm wrench. Pull the hose off to drain the cooling system until flow slows to a drip. While draining, open the coolant reservoir cap to allow air in. After draining, reconnect the lower hose and then briefly flush the system by pouring 1 to 2 liters of clean water through the reservoir and letting it exit the drain. Reinstall the hose. Tighten clamps hand firm, then snug with the wrench. Refill the cooling system with the prepared 50 coolant mix, approximately 5 liters total, using a funnel into the reservoir until the level reaches the full mark. Reconnect 12V negative, start the engine, set the heater to max, and run until the thermostat opens and coolant circulates, typically around 70 degrees C. This bleeds trapped air. While running, top off the reservoir as the level drops, then shut off and let cool. Check for leaks, torque hose clamps snugly, and recheck level after a short 50 km drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.